You'll never catch me now. Mia, please put me down now. No way! I am the winner! Oh no, not again! Perfect. Target spotted. This looks like the perfect spot. Hey, we were here first.
Let's share now.
Bye-bye. How boring. But look at the castle. I made it just for us.
Whoa! Whoa! What happened to the lights?
Adults just don't get it. They really don't have any clue. Out of my way!
Hey, you can't do that here. Mia, be careful.
That is way too high. I know exactly what I am doing.
Sandwiches are ready, kids!
Can I have the pink one?
Behold, the perfect sandwich. Wait, where did it go?
Too slow, Dad. It's mine. You ate the whole thing. It was delicious. I have the perfect prank for today. No way, Mia. We are gonna get in so much trouble. Don't be such a chicken. Help! I can't swim! It was just a prank.
Get out of the water immediately. The rip current is pulling hard. It is not safe today.
Well, what do we have here?
Mia, don't you dare touch them. Step away from them right now. No! Mia, please put that back. Mia, it's very dangerous. No! Please don't roll it.
It's highly fragile. I just want to see it roll.
But she took it. Violence won't solve anything, Mia.
Oh, great, Miss Perfect.
Look! We found actual sea turtle eggs right here.
Wow, you both did a really great job protecting them.
Excuse me, may I put my towel near here?
Of course, dear. Make yourself comfortable.
Here, let me help you hold it steady.
Oh, thank you, Lucy.
Excuse me, please use the bin. Animals can get hurt by the trash we leave behind. We need to protect our beautiful, sparkling ocean. It's okay, we can build it again. Let's make an even bigger one together. Don't worry, we can rebuild it together.
Let's build the biggest tower right here in the middle. Perfect. Now let's make the walls nice and strong.
It is so beautiful! We did it! We did it! It's still just sand. But it took hard work to rebuild it. Remember, respecting what belongs to others is important. It shows that we really care about them. Don't be sad, we can get another one. Don't be sad, get some ice cream.
Is it good? Super good.
Super good! Here is your stick, Grandpa. Be careful right here, Grandpa.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
It's okay, we'll find him. Mr. Lifeguard, she's lost.
We found this little girl who is looking for her brother.
He is wearing blue shorts. His name is Tommy, and he's only 5.
Hey! Step away from there right now!
Mia, wait! Don't throw that! I'm just playing. Starfish are living animals. They need our care and respect. Could you please play a bit further away?
Wow, thanks for the hand.
Let's pull together.
Thank you so much. I really couldn't have done it without you.
You are very welcome.